Welcome to CNC Tutorial 1 for our Making a Cutting Board series. And in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to prepare a DXF file for importing into this software you see on the screen, which is called VCarve. VCarve is the software we use to set up our information that the CNC needs in order to do its work. So before we get into VCarve, we're going to head over to Fusion, which we're familiar with. And in Fusion, you're going to open your cutting board, and we're going to start with another drawing. Now, we aren't going to put measurements or anything on it this time. It's actually quite simple. We're going to go to the top like we did before here, up on the top of our browser, and we're going to click on New Drawing. And this time, we want to make the drawing life-size, so we're going to have to pick a big enough piece of paper so that we can make the scale 1:1. So my cutting board, I think, is about 14 inches long, so this sheet that I'm using here that's 17 inches by 11, I think should work. So I'm going to pick that sheet. You'll have to pick one that'll work for yours. Push OK. It'll set me up the piece of paper like we're used to, the big 17 by 11 sheet here, and I'm already placing my cutting board. Now I know that I want it to be 1:1, so I'm going to change that. So 1 inch in real life is 1 inch on the drawing. And now I'm looking at the edge of it, and I don't want that. I want to look down bird's eye view or from the top. So I'm going to head over here and change to top view. There we are. And I'm going to place it. Now I know it's not the right orientation on the page. We'll fix that in a second. Push OK. And there it is. Now, one thing is this border is kind of in the way, so I'm going to get rid of that right now. If you just click on it once, it'll go blue, and then if you hit delete on your keyboard, it's gone. And I don't want the title block this time either. I'm going to click on it once, and I'm going to hit delete. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on my oval, and up here I can rotate it. So I'm going to click rotate, and I get this menu. And the first thing is to select what you want to rotate, but it's already selected because I clicked it first. So it says one thing is selected. And now it says transform. I have to actually tell it the center of rotation. So I'm going to click there. And now I can actually move it around carefully. When I'm happy with it, I click again, and there I've rotated it. So it fits on the paper now. Okay, that's pretty much it. The last thing we have to do is create this special file that is a 2D sort of, contains some information file called this DXF. So we're going to output this sheet as a DXF to somewhere that we can remember where it is. So in my case, I've got a course named Woodwork 10, and I created a folder in that course called CNC. And this is where I'm going to put the oval cutting board DXF. So I've already got one, but hey, let's do it again. Push save. And it says, do you want to overwrite it or replace it? Sure I do. There we go. Okay, so that's it. That's creating a DXF of your oval cutting board, and the next tutorial will actually be setting up some things in VCarve and bringing this oval cutting board into the software.